Alright, good day. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Orion. Okay. This is an introductory class to the Orion complete guide. Okay. So I'm going to show you how you can install the Orion. So you can request for the link to download the Orion if you don't have it in your system, but if you have it already, or after you might have downloaded it, possibly it enter your download folder, or depend on the folder which you have it. For my system, I have it here on my software here. Okay, so I have this Orion, right? So you see that it's a zipped file, right? So even when you download it from the internet or whatever way you get it, you have to extract it, right? So what I'll do, the first thing is to extract the software, right? So I'll right click and then I'll right click and then go to extract all. Okay, and then I extract. Okay, so you see, we wait for it to extract. Okay, so it depends on how fast is your system. We will actually determine the speed of the extraction. Okay, so the extraction is successful. So this is Orion. Okay, so I'll open the Orion now. Alright, then I'll click on install. Okay, so I'll now click yes for it to install. Remember, I click on the setup, right? So you have to wait for it. Alright, so the next thing is to click next. Okay, click on accept and then click next. Okay, now select local computer lock. Alright, and then click next and then click next again. Okay, so you wait for it to install. Preparing to install. Okay, so it depends on how fast is your system. Okay, so if it will follow all those processes and then it will install. If your system is actually fast, it doesn't take much time before it installs. And as you know, Orion is designed by CSC. Okay, the upgrade of Orion is Prota structure. Okay, just trying to give this information as we are waiting for it to install. Okay, so as you can see, it has finished installed, right? So I'll click on finish. Alright, now this is the installation. The installation is very simple, right? But the main thing here is to actually how you can actually license this particular software, because you know we have to crack it, right, based on the fact that we are using a non-licensed one. Okay, so for you to license it or crack the software, what you need to do, you click on this license here. You see the license. Okay, and then you copy this license. Okay, then you click on copy from here. All right, then you go to your PC. Okay, then go to your program file, that is your local disk C. then your program file. Okay, now we have program file, we have program file x86, and then we have program data. Okay, we are going to paste it under program data, but in case your program data is not showing, okay, you can search for something like folder. We call it folder option. You can search for option. Okay, option like this. Then we see we have a file explorer option. You see it. They depend on the window you are using. Some you see it as folder option. Okay. Then if you go to view, then you show hiding files. Okay. Your own might be a folder option, but this is file explorer option because I'm using Windows 11. Okay. So I will now so I've already clicked show hiding files / folders, right? So if your own is not clicked, just check it so that you can be able to access your program data. So I'll click on program data, and then you see we have CSC here, and then I click on CSC, and then you go to your license, you click on license, and then you paste that you copy from there, the file that you copied. So I'll click on paste. Now there's an existing local.cs clip db here already, but I'll have to replace that. Okay, so I've replaced it. So now this is a simple way on how you can crack Orion. All right, so you have actually cracked your Orion. So you see we already have our Orion here. So you double click on it and then it opens. All right, so this is a simple ways on how you can install Orion in your system. If you don't have the Orion already in your system, you can actually request for the link to download the Orion and we can send it to you. Alright, thank you very much for your time, and watch the rest of the video to learn the full thing about Orion.